Okay, this outfit is fine, right? Nothing wrong with it. Plain black top and high-waisted, pretty cool pattern trousers. But you can make this a little bit cooler, I think, by adding a scarf. Now, I never do anything super frou-frou with my scarves. You can put it around your neck, wrap it back around like so. La la, already the outfit is much better. Or we can fold it in half like so. It's just gathered up and folded in half. Put the loop on one side, the open ends on the other, and pop those through the loop. And you have a very simple tie. Or the third way, and this is my favorite way, is you put the scarf around your neck and take any old ring and line up those scarf ends. This is very, very simple. La-la. And then pop the ends through the ring and pull it all up. Then you can kind of floof that out a little bit if it's a floofy scarf like this one. And there you go. You can also put it to the side. You can have one of the ends on the front, one on the back, like so. Or have them both in the back. And then, I don't know, we could be really silly here and grab the ends and bring them forward. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having fun now. And then tie our hair with them. If we really, really, really want it to be, I guess, fun. I don't know.